Cheers!
Cheers.
No!
So we were watching Explain last night, and the newest episode that just dropped was about meat and how the world is running out of meat and how our meat consumptions have like
Running out.
grown exponentially, and so they have all these different ideas of how to combat this crisis before it becomes something big. So we're here, Impossible Burger. Let's see what it's about.
Okay, so we have our Impossible Burgers, and we are on our way to go to a spot where you can see planes land and take off, and I'm so excited because I don't know why, I'm just super fascinated with planes. And yeah, so we're on our way to do that, and I'll show you guys when we get there.
Oh, right
Yo, you totally just got in my shot, bro.
Spirit.
I thought you were gonna sell them on something. Yo, this lighting on you right now, this... Dang, boy, you got that golden skin. Oh my gosh, look at you.
Tiptoeing in my job. Hey, don't look at my jacket. It's hers. That's why I look so small.
I'm like totally in my element right now.
Or other
is
than
not-
it being 2 degrees out here, this is pretty cool though.
It is not 2 degrees.
That's cool.
It's like probably in the 60s.
Yeah.
You have hair in your head here. Okay. This is actually pretty cool because we're really close.
Yeah.
Like,
Definitely. Runway is like half a mile away. You feel me?
that's not half a mile.
Oh no, that's probably like a football field and a half.
Okay. There's no planes coming right now, so.
I know, it's kind of quiet. Just a moment ago, it was popping though. They were back to back. We couldn't even snap enough pictures.
It was like. Here.
Gracias.
So
apparently, I think they're done departing for the day.
it's only like
and it's only-
6.
Exactly.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Yeah, it's cold. So now we about to go try this Impossible Burger. It's probably just as cold as it is outside now because somebody want to take pictures.
Okay, I want to take 1, 3, 2.
You a video. We just don't
Oh.
want to do
Someone's cold, so
in the car.
yeah, we're gonna go try the Impossible Whopper. It's probably really cold because someone wanted to stay out here.
And take 1,000 pictures. Hey, YOLO, right? You only live once.
We got a really good picture of the plane.
Above our heads, but our faces, not so much.
Yeah, our faces are just all types of crazy.
Oh, kill him. It's cold. My nose is dripping. Yeah, that's probably the limit on my time out here today.
Okay.
We'll be back from work.
Then it just gets darker.
This one.
Okay. All right. Unboxing.
Unwrapping from Burger King.
All right.
So
What have y'all heard about the Impossible Burger? Have you tried it? Let us know. Comment down below. I'm not really a huge fan of Burger King.
I'm gonna like Burger King, actually.
Okay, Burger King or McDonald's?
Burger King, probably. But let's do a physical, you know? Looks like meat.
It does look like meat.
It's kind of scary. On Explain, they're saying how our love for meat has become a huge problem, and now they're trying to figure out ways to combat a possible crisis because we don't have enough space on this earth to raise enough animals to satisfy our want for meat. So what they're doing in labs now is they're creating the part of the meat that our bodies crave the most, which is the iron from the blood of the animal. So
super interesting.
Which is really interesting, actually. And they're just I don't know exactly what particles they use or what they use as the substance, but as far as like the taste goes and the similarities to meat, is crazy how close they can
they
make
say it even like bleeds like
yeah, and when you cook it,
blood.
it bleeds out as if you're cooking a beef patty. Give
I'm
them
just
100.
eating this.
Yeah. So here's the Impossible Burger. Cheers. Mine just ketchup, pickles. Somebody took a bite of theirs already, but yeah. But it looks like meat. It's crazy. Okay.
Come on.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
No. What do you think?
Honestly, the people weren't lying. It tastes like a Whopper. No drastic.
The only thing I would say, like, it tastes really good to me. The only thing is, like, it's not as, like, juicy or, like, thick as a regular burger. But, I mean...
It's to be expected because it's not actually meat. But...
I wish I had fries to go with this, but someone ate all of them.
Ironically, though, just because it's meatless doesn't mean it's healthier. So, don't mean go all out with this. It still has about the same contents as regular meat and like way more sodium. So yeah, that's my little woke rant for today.
Okay, so we're gonna finish eating this and then we'll come back.